Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a voiceover inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So let's say you have a video clip loaded into your timeline and you press play and you
My
listen to
check,
it,
my check.
but you aren't quite satisfied with the quality of the voiceover. So to start the first step of replacing the voiceover with something better, we're going to have to delete it or replace it. And to do so, we're going to right click on the clip on our timeline. We're going to this audio button or audio option, and then we're going to click on detach. So what that does is it separates the audio from the video, and now we can do whatever we want with the voiceover of the video. So if we want to just delete it, simply press delete or backspace on your keyboard as so, and it's gone. It's really that easy. So now we have the full freedom of recording our own voiceover, a new one for this video. And if you'd like to add it back, it's already here in
My
your
check, my
media. If you want to add it back, it's automatically saved to your media inside of the video project. So if you want to just make a few tweaks, you can click on that. And as you can see, it's back in my timeline. If you really have no use for the audio file, however, you can always just delete whatever is shown there. So now we're only left with the video clip itself. So it's really quick, really easy, only takes a few clicks and is really simple or is really convenient to do. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.